Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. Here are the Hot Wheels Cool Classics that I won in a Wheelcollectors giveaway. Very cool of them to do these giveaways. They don't have to do that. I was watching their videos before they were doing giveaways, and it's just a very cool YouTube channel. They always have the newest stuff, so it's interesting to watch their videos anyways, with or without a giveaway. Yeah, I want to thank them very much for sending me these. So these are the last 5 in the Hot Wheels Cool Classics series. It has a copyright of 2013. So here's the back. It says the 5 cars that are in this last case. 2013 copyright, you can see it, but the pictures are all this pink car on the card art. So here's the Datsun 240Z. So they are all metal on metal, have Spectra Frost colors, and they have the retro slots wheels. Those are plastic tires, but they are very cool wheels, I think. So let's open these up. That's a 240Z. Very shiny base. Very cool wheels. Kind of a light gray interior. So it kind of has graphics on the sides and on top. No headlights nor taillights. Very cool exhaust, also part of the base. Very cool model, very happy to have it. This is only my 3rd Datsun 240Z I have, so what a cool one to have. Look at those wheels when they're rolling, very cool. Next up, number 27, the Datsun Bluebird 510 in gold. These Spectra Frost colors are very nice. G51, so produced in 2014. Okay, at the end of 2014, so that means this was actually a 2015 release. Okay, interesting. Yep. So this one does not have the bigger wheel in the back like the Datsun. All small wheels. You got the metal grille, got the roll cage, black interior, no tampons in the back. Also got the metal exhaust, very cool. The stripe is kind of faded towards the back, also nice, cool detail. Little bit of packaging rub here, but not too bad. Then we got the 76 Chevy Chevette. I have never seen this car before as a European. It's got a Protecto, always nice to see. Nice green color. Does not have the name on the base, so if I ever show this card again, I'm not going to remember what it's called for sure. Only got one seat, roll cage. It's got the staggered wheels, the wheelie bar. So I think these all have nothing in the front and the back, and all on the sides and on the top. Big hood scoop. Kind of a weird model, but you know, kind of fun to have. Then one of my favorites, the Subaru Brat. Well, I like all Subarus, but this goofy little model for sure. This one had the Protecto on top, and then the back and front. Very nice color red also. So this is the first one I have with a metal base. Lots of detail on the side. Number 9. It's got some ghost stripes. Very cool. And then the 2 seats in the back, that's awesome. And the last one, 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake, number 30. Mattel Inc. Toy Makers. Kind of their royal badge. Also very nice color, very nice blue interior. Goes well with the exterior. We got the snake. Looks like a cobra to me. It's got the full name on the base here. That's cool. So it has the staggered wheels. Got the grille piece, part of the interior. Also has some stripes on top. Also kind of a ghost stripes, but not as much as on the red one. These are a little bit more visible. They have some kind of an outline on the sides. So let's line them all up. Very cool set. Very happy to have them. There's some really sweet castings in here. So I want to thank Wheelcollectors once again. Very cool dudes. Very nice of them to do this. And I wish everyone could win one of their prizes, because they give away lots of cool stuff. So I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.